Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to access screenshot folder in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro. Suppose if you have taken a screenshot and at later time, if you would like to access the screenshot folder, then what you have to do is just go to the My Files in your phone. Go to My Files. Go to My Files here, then go to device storage and here select pictures folder, and here you can find a screenshots folder. Just click it and all screenshots will be available. Okay, latest screenshot will be stored at last. Okay, click on it and yes, you can access. Okay, so these are all the screenshots that I took previously. Okay, all screenshots will be available here. Okay, so in this way you can easily access screenshots folder in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.